Good morning, student. This is chapter 7 Evolution, class 12th Biology. Evolutionary biology, a branch of biology under which we study about how life originates and changes from time to time. Diversity in the life forms of living organisms, plant or animals. Origin of universe explained by Big Bang theory. Around 20 billion years ago, universe developed and it comprised huge cluster of galaxies. Galaxies contain stars, clouds of dust and gases. According to Big Bang theory, a huge explosion occurred. The universe expanded. Temperature came down. Hydrogen, helium formed later. Galaxies were then formed due to the condensation of gases under gravitation. Origin of Earth. Earth was formed 4.5 billion years ago. Initially, surface of Earth was covered with water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide gas, and ammonia. UV rays of sun broke water into hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen releases into atmosphere and oxygen combined with ammonia, methane, CO2 and other gases. This helps in formation of ozone layer and other gases formation. Cooling of water vapor formed cloud lead to rain that fill the other depressions on Earth, due to which ocean and other water bodies formed. Different theory of origin of life. Life appeared around 500 million years ago after formation of Earth. Theory of special creation. According to it, God created life by his own divine act of creation. Theory of panspermia or cosmozoic theory proposed by the Greek scientists. They thought that unit of life, that is spore or panspermia, came from outer space and developed into living form. Theory of spontaneous generation. Life originated from decaying and rotting matter like straw mud. Louis Pasteur dismissed theory of spontaneous generation and demonstrated that life came from pre-existing life. In his experiment, Louis Pasteur placed killed yeast in two clean flasks. In one flask, he kept open to air. He showed that life did not originate in the former, but new living organism arose in the later flask. Theory of chemical evolution. O'Brien and Halton. Theory A. According to that, life originated from pre-existing living organic molecule like RNA protein. Formation of life was due to formation of organic molecule from inorganic constituent. Conditions on Earth favoring the chemical evolution were high temperature, volcanic eruption, storms, reducing atmospheric condition containing methane, ammonia. Experimental evidences of chemical evolution. Miller experiment, S.L. Miller and U.C. Array performed experiment in 1953 in a closed flask. They filled ammonia, methane, water vapor and hydrogen gas and increased the temperature up to 800 degrees centigrade by electric discharge, creating conditions were similar to those in primitive atmosphere of Earth. Observation. Continuous electric spark discharge passing of water vapor through gases lead to the formation of amino acids, sugar molecules, nitrogen bases, pigment and fats within a week. Conclusion of their experiment. This experiment evidence confirmed the theory of chemical origin. It showed that the first non-cellular form of life was created about 3 billion years ago. Non-cellular biomolecule exist in the form of DNA, RNA, polysaccharide, protein that lead to origin of living cell in aquatic medium, that is biogenesis. Theory of special creation. All living organism, species, types that were seen today were created as such. Diversity was always the same since creation and will be the same in future also. Earth is around 4,000 years old. Survival of the fittest or the reproductive fitness. Those organisms which have physically fit can reproduce more individuals in an environment. They are said to be fit and got selected by nature for future generation. This is called natural selection. Alfred Wallace said that all existing life forms share the similarity because of common ancestors. Evidence for evolution. Paleontological evidence. Paleontology, study of fossils, remains or impressions of past organisms preserved in sedimentary rock or at any other place. By studying different sedimentary layers, the geological time period in which organisms exist can be predicted. Morphological and comparative evidence. Evolutionary phylogenetic history can be revealed by comparative study of external and internal structures. Similarity and difference among organisms of today and those that existed years ago. Homologous organs. Those organs which have the same structural design and origin but different in functioning. Bones of forelimbs of whales, bats, cheetah. Divergent evolution. Due to different need structures develop differently. Vertebrae, hearts or brain. Thorns tendrils of bougainvillea occurs in plant. Analogous organs. Organs which are structurally and anatomically different but functionally similar. Example, wings of butterfly and birds. Convergent evolution. Due to same function need, different structure evolve similarly. For example, eyes of octopus and mammal. Next example, flippers of penguin and dolphin. Next example, sweet potato root modification and potato is stem modification. Biochemical evidence. Similarity in protein genes performing a common function among diverse organisms gives clue to common ancestry. Metabolic process in organism are also similar with same new material and end products. Biogeographical evidence. Endemic species restricted to a region develop unique features which present widely in separated regions, show similarity of ancestry. Example of natural selection. Now, in 1850, before industrialization in England, it was observed that white-winged moths were more than dark-winged moths on trees stem. But after industrialization, number of dark-winged moths increased because before industrialization, birds or predator easily captured. Dark-winged moths instead of white-winged moth due to contrasting background, while white-winged moth after industrialization tree trunk polluted, so white-winged moth easily picked up by predator and dark-winged moth were easily hide. Due to this, pollution of dark-winged moth increased. Example of natural selection: excess use of herbicide, pesticide has only resulted in selection of resistant varieties. Adaptive radiation in the evolutionary process in which different species starting from common point in a geographical area radiate to other geographical area. Darwin finches. Example: Darwin observed many variety of finches or birds in the same island. All varieties had evolved from common original seed-eating birds. Due to changes in habitat, and some become insectivorous, some become vegetarian with different beak size. Next example of adaptive radiation is of marsupial of Australia. Within Australian continent, many different marsupials or paused animals are seen. They all evolved from a common ancestor animal. Next example, placental animal in Australia. They evolved from marsupial because they all appear similar. These animals radiate or adapted developed from convergent evolution. Theory of evolution. Lamarck theory of evolution, that is also called as Lamarckism. According to this theory, evolution of life forms occurred due to use and disuse of organs. Example: giraffe. Initially did not have long necks, but to access live on tall trees, they had to adapt by elongating their necks. By passing this character to succeeding generations, they acquired long necks. Darwinian theory of evolution. Charles Darwin, based on his observation during a sea voyage around the world in the ship HMS Beagle, concluded that gradual evolution of life forms with new forms arising at different periods of history. Any population has built-in variation in characteristics which adapt it better to an environment, that is called survival of the fittest. Natural selection: those populations which are better fit reproductively in an environment will be selected by nature and will survive more. Adaptability is inherited and fitness is the end result of ability to adapt and get selected by nature. Natural selection is based on the following factual observation: limited natural resource, stable population size, varying character of members of population. Most of variations are inherited. Two key concepts of Darwinian theory of evolution: branching descent, natural selection. Mutation theory of evolution, proposed by Hugo de Vries after working on evening primrose. According to this theory, evolution is caused by sudden large difference in the population, that is mutation, and not by the minor variation adaptation as per Darwin. According to Hugo de Vries, mutation causes speciation. He called it saltation single step large mutation. Mutations are random and directionless in contrast to small directional variations adaptations as per Darwin. Hardy-Weinberg principle states that allelic frequency in a population are stable and is constant from generation to generation, that is gene pool. Total number of genes and their alleles in a population is constant. It is called genetic equilibrium or Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Genetic equilibrium can be expressed as P plus Q is equal to 1. P is the frequency of capital A, small a, and Q is P is the frequency of capital A, Q is the frequency of small a. In diploid condition, P square plus Q square plus 2PQ is equal to 1, where P square is equal to allele frequency of capital A, Q square is the allele frequency of small a. 2PQ is equal to allele frequency of heterozygous capital A small a. Sum total of all the allelic frequency is equal to 1. This is binomial expression of P plus Q whole square. Evolution changes occur due to changes in genetic equilibrium, that is confirmed by measurement of frequency. Factor affecting Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium: gene migration, gene flow, migration of individual of population, changes occurring in frequency by chance, genetic drift. It may be due to the earthquake, flood, drought, or any natural disaster. Mutation, speciation, genetic recombination, natural selection. It is a process in which heritable variation enable the better survival and also enable the reproduce and leave more number of progeny. Natural selection may be stable, directional change, or disruptive. In stable type, phenotype favored by natural selection. In directional change, peak shift in one direction due to acquire of peripheral characters by organism. In disruptive natural selection, two peaks were formed, means a group of population divided into two groups due to natural conditions. Facts of evolution. First cell formed around 2 billion years ago. Some cells, plant or euglena, release oxygen by splitting of water with the help of solar energy. That leads to oxygen evolution. Founder effect. Effect of original drifted population in a geographical area that lead to speciation. Evolution of plants. Plants appear on Earth first or primarily or earlier than animals. Bryophyte develop earlier than pteridophyte and gymnosperm. First vascular plant that contains xylem phloem develop in Silurian period. Seaweeds or few plants developed around 320 million years ago. Variations due to mutation, recombination during gametogenesis, genetic drift cause changes in genes allele frequency in future generation. Evolution in animals. Around 500 million years ago, invertebrates originated and developed. Around 350 million years ago, zoologist and amphibians originated. Around 200 million years ago, reptiles evolved from amphibians and dominate on Earth. Reptiles like dinosaur, Tyrannosaurus Rex was biggest. Dinosaurs disappeared suddenly due to climatic changes and some evolved into birds. First mammal evolved in Jurassic period was shrew. Later horse, hippocampus, beaver, and rabbit were developed. Due to continental drift, more species evolved and developed. Mammals, whale, dolphin, seal, sea cow lives in water. Evolution of man. Human ancestor Dryopithecus found out in Ethiopia and Tanzania. Time of its origin is 25 million years ago. General characters are ape-like, hairy, arm, legs of same length, arm and length of same length, large brain, They eat fruit, soft fruit, leaves. They walk like gorilla and chimpanzee. Next, human ancestor was Ramapithecus, or called humanoid. Eastern Africa, their origin region. Time of origin 50 million years ago to 4 million years ago. They were more like man-like, walked more erect, teeth like modern men, and primates, and 4 feet tall. Next human ancestor was Australopithecus, first human-like being. Their origin of place of origin is East African grassland. Time of origin 2 million years ago. They walked upright, eat fruit, hunted with stone weapon. Brain capacity was around 400 to 600 cc. Next human ancestor was Homo habilis. Their time of origin around 2 million years ago. Fossil found in East Africa and did not eat meat. Next human ancestor was Homo habilis. Their time of origin 2 million years ago. General character were fossil found in East Africa. They did not eat meat. Brain capacity 650 to 800 cc. Next ancestor was Homo erectus or Java man. Time of origin 1.5 million years ago. Fossil found in Java. Brain capacity 900 cc. They eat meat. Human ancestor Homo sapiens neanderthalensis or Neanderthal man. Time of origin 1 lakh to 40,000 years ago. Fossils found in East and Central Asia. Brain size 1400 cc. They used caves to protect body and buried their deads. Next ancestors Homo sapiens sapiens or modern man arose from Africa and moved across continent, and they developed. Time of origin 75,000 to 10,000 years ago. General characters developed cave arts 18,000 years ago and started agriculture 10,000 years ago and lived in groups.